Hello, my It's So Sammy family. Welcome to my first YouTube video. I decided to do some videos just for information about how I do my hair, how I style my hair, how I dye my hair, just the process of all the things I'm doing. And also, for those who know me, I speak Dutch, but I'm gonna do the YouTube videos in English just so I can reach a bigger audience. So yeah, I'm gonna be talking English, and bear with me because y'all know English is not my first language. But anyway, today I'm gonna show you how I'm installing a frontal wig. This is the wig that I'm gonna install on myself. It's So straight lace frontal wig, 14-inch bob, and yeah, I'm gonna install this on myself, and then I'm gonna show you how I do that. And also maybe I will style it. I'm not sure. I like it straight. Yeah, well, we'll see. Anyway, let's go into this video. I have everything here that I need to do this, so yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Oh yeah, and before I start the video, I'm not a YouTuber and all of that, but still, you gotta support your girl. Click subscribe to my channel if you want me to make more videos. Like my video and leave a comment. Just show love. Thank you. And yeah, let's go. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna clean your hairline with some alcohol, just to make it free of anything like makeup, lotions, whatever. I'm gonna be using the Got2b glue spray. I always use Got2b if I like glue down my wigs, because the lace glue is really not for me. I never tried it before, but just the fact that it's like real glue, it's not for me. I love my edges, let's just say that. And so this is what I'm gonna be using. I have a pad here with some alcohol, so we're gonna clean the edges. My mirror is in front of this, so sometimes I gotta be, So, I'm gonna be applying 3 layers of glue, of the Got2b glue, and I'm gonna make sure I make each layer dry. But yes, we're going in for the second one. I always hold anything like a paper or whatever, because I don't like when I spray on my head, on my forehead, where the glue don't need to be. So yeah, I just put some paper like this and then I spray, so it's kind of like within the area that I want it. So yeah, I'm gonna let this layer dry, and then we're doing another one, and then I'm gonna put on the wig. So now we have like 3 layers. I'm gonna place the wig. Just press it down. Like I use the back of this edge brush, but you can use your hands or whatever. Just make sure you press it down good into the 3 layers of glue. If you look closely, you can see exactly where the glue ends through the lace, so you can put it exactly on the line of glue that you sprayed. Okay, so I don't have a scissor here. I'm gonna be using an eyebrow eraser. I think I will speed up this process because it's gonna take a while. Yo, I'm gonna use my scissors at this point because no. It's easier with the scissors. Okay. So yeah, it lifted on this side a little bit, so we're gonna go in with some more of the Got2b spray. But first I'm gonna show you how I do the ear taps, because I always feel like where my ear is, and then I try to cut like around my ear. Let's see. You can also do this before attaching the wig, but I think it's easier to do it like this if I do it on myself, because then it won't move if I've cut. Let's see. Yeah. So now we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna leave out the sideburns. Yo, this is so hard if you're doing it on yourself. Like, if you're doing this on someone else, it's so easy to do. It's such an easy process. Yo, I get dizzy of looking in this mirror. So, yeah, this is it. This is it. Cut this off. Okay. So this is what it's gonna look like. And then we're gonna fix the other side too, because this one lifted a little bit, but that's not a big deal. I'm gonna cut out the ear tap on the other side too, and then I'll come back. Okay, so now I've cut both of the sideburns, like the whole hairline. I'm gonna comb some baby hairs to the front, and then I'm gonna apply my edge scar and some more of the Got2b glue to where it's lifting. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Whatever. You're gonna always want to make the Got2b glue spray dry before you press in the hair, else it's gonna be white. And we don't want that. The spray is a bit tacky, and you just press it down like so. I really don't know how it looks on camera. I don't hope it looks like a hot mess. Okay, so we're gonna use this one for the baby hair. We're gonna okay. Sideburn here. I'm gonna take some of the mousse. This is a little too much, but whatever. It's whatever. Okay. This here. Okay. I don't really like the baby hairs, to be honest, but yeah, I'm just doing it for the video. So I'll do this one here. And then I'll take this one here. Okay, this is so funny, like, yo, doing this on camera, yeah. But anyway, yes, I want to take a little bit hair from the sideburn. Okay, I laid down the edges. I'm not totally sure if I'm satisfied, but okay. I need to wrap up this video because I have to leave. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay. Of course, using my It's So Sammy satin edge band. I'm not gonna do much with the hair. I'm just gonna straighten it. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this side part. And some water, a little bit of mousse. Okay. Yo, look at this hair. It's so soft and so straight, so silky smooth. It's so Sammy. So I'm using my steam pot to straighten it. I'm just gonna be putting like a small curve at the bottom, but I'm not gonna make any curls in the hair. I'm gonna put in some small layers on the front. Yeah. Yes. So I actually was gonna do a Q&A during this video, but I cannot multitask. So yeah, I asked y'all on Instagram to hit me up with some questions for a Q&A. I received some questions. Yeah, I'm gonna be making a new video to do the Q&A. You should always use like a heat protector or a serum for your hair before applying heat. I already did it off camera. I use this one. Oh, the label is a little bit off, but yeah, it's fine. It's a light oil, not too oily. Works great for me. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna press down the jumping hairs because we want it smooth and flat. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I think this is it. You know, the ends are so cool. Love it. First of all, I want to thank you if you came this far on this video. That means you like my content. Thank you. This is the style. I just straightened the hair, put a little curve in the ends, and yeah, this is the final look. These are the edges. I hope it's clear on camera. And yeah, so I'm going out now. I want to thank you all for watching my video. If you want to see more of my videos or whatever I'm gonna come up with, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you liked it, and share it with a friend or whoever. And yeah, thank you, and I see you in the next one. Bye.